Coaches, I hope you're having an amazing dead week. I hope you're spending time with your friends and family and recharging your batteries, because you're no good to the players you're with if your batteries aren't recharged. So I hope you've taken some time to really get away and focus on you, because that's where it needed to be. That being said, I'll be doing the same here starting tomorrow. I will be off campus until July 15th, as I'll be spending time with my friends and family as well. Now, that being said, you can feel free to call me during this time period, as I am available. I will have my computer, so if you need me, feel free to call me if you have any questions or concerns. One thing that I would like to get started with once the dead week ends is I would like coaches to begin sending out weekly emails to our families. We've talked about the core model, which we'll go back over in our PLs this coming year, but we don't necessarily have to use the core model. I do want you, however, focus on making sure we communicate with our families. It's one area that in talking to our families, they sometimes are concerned that they don't hear enough from our coaches about what's going on with their practices, times, schedules, fundraisers, just what's going on in the program. So I would like coaches, when your season's starting now, or if you have anything going on, please send weekly emails to all your families and let them know what's going on with their season. And go ahead and let me know too, if you can add me to those as well. That way I can also stay abreast of what's going on with your season. Please remember that we do need to follow the heat guidelines. Mr. G will be sending out emails or texts for updates about what's going on if it's too hot, but use some common sense. Morning practices or evening practices are the best at the moment as we finish up the summer schedule and try to stay out of the heat. Please make sure you have ice available, water available, and you have plans for if the heat occurs. Also, fall coaches, as your seasons begin starting, remember I would like to meet with you before the season starts, and this goes to all fall coaches. So please be preparing for that. If you would like to meet with me starting in July 15th before your season really gets rolling, I'll be here, or we can set it up in the first weeks of the school. But I do want to meet with you prior to the season starting. I want to know about what fundraisers you're doing, what your plans are for this year, goals, and what you need from me in order to help you with the upcoming season. Speaking of upcoming season, I will be running eligibility once I return. And so please make sure that you are also keeping track of that. There should be no surprises. You should be fully aware of where we're at. Remember, once I run eligibility, any new students must be brought to me. Please don't bring anybody on here on our campus in any athletic events or any uniforms or anything else unless you make me aware and I have gone through the proper channels. Well, coaches, I'll keep it short. I hope you have had, again, recharge. I hope you're having an outstanding summer, and I can't wait to see you guys and our athletes getting after it again here in the next month. Thank you.